Ay, mute pala ako, agoy. Shout out everyone. Thank you. Fiona, Fuli, shout out. And Caps and Jacob, thank you for joining. Emelda Ingram, Velvet, babaeng laagan. Thank you guys. You guys is amazing. So yeah. Ayan. And we will have a 5 last chatter. Thank you guys. Through the poop over the wall. No. There is a trash can there. Crap. Guapo IB. Guapa IB. Cups look at that fruits cup. That's a good fruits, but they don't eat it. See? It's tasty, very tasty. And they have a lot of pomegranate here, peaches, apricot. But it's not mine. So look at the peaches. Nectarine or peaches. That's a lot of fruits and very healthy. Look, the fruit. It's very healthy. And they have the big greenhouse. And this is the pomegranate. They will be having a lot of fruit soon, but they don't eat. They don't. Here's the poop station, Caps. So Caps, here's the poop station. So why would I throw in the... So there is the poop station. So yeah, and then I grab a little bit, like 1, 2, 3 pieces, just in case Ruby will poop again. So I have extra poop bag. With the supply. Angge, good morning. To the supply. So why would I throw? Ayan, Migalab, shout out. Ayan, Brooke Caps, good morning. Ayan, June Proyer. Ayan, I got a poop.